my YouTube had rules. They're not very complicated, and for those who've not heard of 75 soft or 75 hard, and mine is 75 not so hard, this video is going to explain that to you. So basically, 75 hard or 75 soft challenges are challenges where you do specific habits that you want to transform in 75 days, and people usually do this for personal development. And one of the creators on here, I'll tag her below, Frankie too, I think, she's the one who nudged us YouTube creators, new small accounts, to try it. So for me, given that I'm a 9-to-5er, I do work a 9-to-5 job, I cannot take too much on because I don't want to risk my job. But that being said, I am working with a post a day with 2 breaks on Thursday and Sunday. And a post a day could be short or long, so nothing specific, but I'll try my best to do at least 3 long form and 2 short videos each week. The specific niches of interest that I'll focus on in this challenge will be generally, of course, my main bread and butter, personal finance, but I will add a lot of corporate conversations, open conversations. I will add a bit of lifestyle conversations, and specifically, I will also add personal wellness and personal development conversations. And this would also broaden my topics of or array of topics that I can speak on, but this would also help reach more people who I would like to resonate with in my journey as well, because I don't want to lock myself only in the finance niche. I want to do more on YouTube. So yeah, that would be the general. And finally, if you'd like to join me, I have a free template, a super cute template. I will make my editor add it here, a screenshot of it, that you can get for free if you join me and follow my YouTube, on the journey. So that's the prerequisite. Follow my YouTube and I will share make a tiny little template, okay? Anyway, like and follow for more, and let's transform our YouTube and get monetized. The goal is to get monetized. That's the goal, in case I missed it.